powered by Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from BBS Mega Mica in Ballito, KZN.
BBS Mica opened in 2003, and by the grace of God, our dedicated staff and our loyal customers, today we are a Mega Mica store. We are very proud of our store with the fact that customers keep coming back because they know when they come to our store, they're guaranteed to solve all their technical problems. I love our customers because of the fact that they keep coming back because of our excellent service, and they know when they come in here, they're definitely going to get solutions to their problems.
What brings me back to BBS Mica is because of the good service, friendly stuff that you need, you will always get it here. If they haven't got it, they will get it for you.
BBS Mega Mica in Ballito has been awarded 3 times in a row the best hardware store in Ballito by our community. We also carry a huge range of products which makes it convenient for our customers. We are the best store to buy Plascon products because of our wide range of products. I love the Plascon brand because I've been selling Plascon for over 20 years, and I can confidently say that if you buy Plascon, you'll definitely not go wrong. My favorite Plascon product is Plascon Wall and All. Wall and All comes with a beautiful suede finish. It is also dirt stain and mildew resistant. My DIY tip would be to always paint corner to corner. BBS Mega Mica, let us show you how.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.